Hello, everyone. Ever since I started on this journey of healing and self transformation, there's one question which gets asked often, and that is, what is healing? Healing is the journey into a healed you. And what does that mean? That means that it is a journey into becoming the whole you. It's a journey back into wholeness in every area of your life, be it emotionally, mentally, physically, financially, in relationships, or in every other area of your life, your career, everything. Returning back to wholeness, completeness, all within yourself. And yes, how does this journey begin? There are many times when we get prompted to start on this journey. There are many times when we are given those signs by universe. I can share how that journey meant for me and started for me. Well, I was raised by a single parent, my mother. That life of being a single parent child came with its own joys, challenges, troubles. And yes, it went through. I got married. Once I got married, about 4 to 5 years into the relationship, I had my first child. And during all of this, there was a void inside of me, and that void only kept increasing. Each time when I thought probably, this relationship will help me get over that void, it just increased. When my child came, I thought this child will help me get over that void. It again increased. And this is how those were signs that there is something that I need to do about my life. Few years back, I decided that I would move out of my marriage. And the only thing that I would tell everybody is that there is something that I'm not comfortable with. Everything was good. We were staying in a country which was pretty good, with all resources, everything doing well. I had a child. I was doing certain other things which I liked. Everything was fine. So the moment I would tell someone that I wanted to get out of this marriage, all I was told was that I'm just overthinking, or I'm just imagining stuff, or I'm just stressed right now and it'll be over or okay in some time. But I never found that answer exactly. Why was I uncomfortable? What was it that was not keeping me there? However, it went on. I lived in, continued to live in there. And there came a point in life about a couple of years back when it felt like enough is enough and I just need to be by myself. And I chose to walk out of my marriage. And that is the time I started understanding that what was I looking for? I was looking for myself. This was a journey back into myself. While everything I was looking for all these years was only outside, that huge void inside of me was never getting fulfilled. Be it travel, be it goods, be it anything, any kind of things that you can imagine. I mean, I was doing everything for myself, but that void was always there. And one fine day, I realized that it was me who needed to make a change in my life to find the answer to that void. And that answer was moving out of my marriage, making a life of my own, doing what I like to do, following my heart. And that was my journey of healing as it started. And it's a journey which sort of doesn't end, but it's a beautiful journey. As you start on it, you start to realize that this was it. This was it you were looking for all this while. And trying to search this outside of you, whereas it was always inside of you. So, yes, this is what it is. It is a journey back into wholeness, and I am living that journey. So, healing is a journey back into wholeness.